Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have a super quick little Aliexpress haul to share with you guys. I wanted to share what I picked up or what I received because my orders are starting to come in, but I ended up receiving another pack of my pink sequins. I had ordered 2, but I guess they mailed it separate. Don't know why they did that, but I got my sequins, and you guys, I'm super excited. I ended up getting my star tool. Thank you, Alicia, for the link. I'll have a link down below so you guys can check it out. You get such a good amount, you guys. And if you're doing past Halloween, this is perfect. Look at this. Is it not the prettiest? So I got it in mint green. And I got it in like this peachy color. I love this one. And look at the pink. I'm so glad the pink is not too dark. I always get afraid that the pink is going to be super dark, but it's not. It's like pastel, and you get a good amount. Look at that, you guys. This should definitely last you a while, and it's super cheap. It's like $1 and change. And then, you guys, I did get these jelly papers, and I want to make bows out of these. They're super cute. I got like a neon pink. I thought it was gonna be like a darker pink, but it's fine. It's like a neon pink, a mint green, and a peach. You do get like 8.5 by 11. I already cut into mine because I wanted to try out the bows. But yeah, that's what I got from AliExpress. That is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys.